If you have participated in a DOP airdrop, a testnet airdrop, if you perform all the tasks, you are eligible to claim your DOP tokens right now. The page has gone live, and in this video, I'll walk you through step by step how you can claim your tokens. For all of you that have been following my channel, you're pretty much aware that I have done a video on how to actually qualify for a DOP airdrop. It's this video down here. It was recorded about 3 months ago. So let's go ahead and claim our tokens. And as always, I'll be leaving all the necessary links down in the description so you can go ahead and follow along. Claim.dop.org is the official website where we'll be claiming our tokens, which is this right here. Now, if you remember way back then when we did these tasks for DOP airdrop, we had to use a Metamask wallet. It is time to use that same Metamask wallet that we used back then in order to claim these tokens. By clicking on Metamask right here, the same Metamask wallet, make sure you sign in. It's going to open our Metamask wallet, and it's actually going to ask us to sign a transaction. Signing a transaction basically is going to verify that we did use this wallet. So click on sign, and it will bring us to the claim page. If we look down here, you can see that I am eligible to claim 1,122 testnet reward tokens, and I have already claimed those tokens right here. For all of you that have not done the claim yet, right here will be a claim button. You're simply going to click on that. It's going to open your MetaMask wallet, and it's actually going to ask you to sign a transaction, and you will be paying a Ethereum gas fee in order to claim these tokens. It will charge you anywhere from $7 to $14-15 in order to claim these tokens. We all know that gas fees on Ethereum are ridiculous. So what I would suggest, you go ahead and wait till late evenings or evening time in order to claim your tokens, because at those times, gas fees on Ethereum tend to be much lower than about $14 or $15. It is important to mention that the tokens we claim are non-transferable right now until they are listed on Tier 1 exchanges. Now you claimed your tokens, you go into your MetaMask wallet, and you cannot see your tokens. What happened? Where are they? Well, if that's the case, this is the contract address where you can actually input the address into your MetaMask wallet manually so you can see the balance of your tokens. All you will do is come here, copy the contract address, open your MetaMask wallet, and import this token manually, which is under tokens. You click on import custom token, you pay the address, click next, and it is going to actually say, hey, look, this is the DOP token that you're trying to add to your MetaMask wallet. Do you approve? Go ahead and approve. Then you will see the balances of your DOP tokens in your MetaMask wallet. If you're wondering how is it determined of how many tokens you will be actually able to claim, it is right here. It all depends on the actual task that you did. If you're someone that just did the testnet right here, the minimum tokens you can get is 467. That is the bare minimum, but it can go all the way up to 9,822 tokens, depending if you referred people to actually use your link when doing the tasks on the testnet. This particular MetaMask wallet is my public wallet where I use for all my videos, and this particular wallet earned me 1,122 DOP tokens with bare minimum referrals. I think I referred to maybe 2 or 3 people. Now, I do have another private MetaMask wallet that I have used, and I have referred a lot of people through that wallet, and that particular wallet has earned me 4,500 tokens. All we can do now is wait till these tokens get listed and see how much we have actually earned. I hope it is more than the actual fees that we paid for the Ethereum. Remember, these are testnet tokens. These are free tasks that we did. So I hope it is somewhere in the range of a couple of $100. Farming airdrops can be absolutely time consuming, but it can actually be very profitable as well. That is exactly why I make these videos, and that is exactly why I participate in as many airdrops as possible. It does not matter if it's testnet or the actual airdrops that you have to spend some money in order to perform. Keep in mind that this is a crypto game. Sometimes some of these airdrops are going to be absolutely nothing, and some of these are going to be huge. One of the biggest airdrops that I have done and that have netted me $2,500 was a Wormhole. This was one of the biggest winner for me in 2024 when it comes to airdrops. But remember, that is not to say that you should go ahead and follow me or any other YouTube as a matter of fact. Ever since I made this channel, I made it very clear that transparency is very important to me, and I will never show you any products or promote anything that I do not use myself. Now, for a little bonus, there is actually a video that I did 2 months ago on Satoshi VM. This airdrop is actually claimable as well. If we go down here, we can see that this airdrop has been confirmed, and you can go ahead and claim Satoshi VM if you have participated in this testnet as well. Remember to do your own research when it comes to airdrops or anything in crypto. As a matter of fact, do not listen to anyone, do not follow anyone, make decisions on your own and make the right decisions that are best for you and your situation. With that being said, I hope you found this video helpful. Go ahead and like the video and subscribe to the channel, and then I'm going to be doing more videos more often. If you're wondering where I have been for the past month, I have actually taken a little time off of YouTube, and I have spent some time on vacation with my family. So I'll see you soon, and we'll go ahead and proceed with our crypto journey.